how to add harmony to Metamask. Hello friends, welcome to another tutorial. In this video, I'll show you how you can add harmony to your Metamask account. Adding harmony network to your Metamask wallet is essential for interacting with harmony and accessing decentralized application on this network. So to do that, move to the top left corner of the screen where you can see the network drop down and select it. Then a box will be displayed. Amongst this box, or in the box, you can see other options, right? Just go ahead and click on Add Network. Then after doing that, you can see that we cannot see the option Harmony here. So just go ahead and click on Add a new network. And then in this case, the network name is Harmony. So just type it out. And then to get the remaining details, just go to the top part of the screen, click on the plus icon, and then ask the question, the RPC URL of Harmony. All right, and then click on Enter, and then you'll be brought to the page where you would see details about the Harmony network. So if you cannot find what you are looking for, just go back and then edit it of Harmony network Metamask in order to provide your answer on time, and then click on Enter. And as you can see, these are the information about it. So you can just go ahead and copy one of these as a URL. All right, okay. Then after copying it, go back to your MetaMask and paste it. The same thing goes for the chain ID. Go back, copy the chain ID. All right, copy, go back to your extension, paste it, then select the currency that has been provided, and then okay, the RPC URL is different, so you can just go back and select other options. If not, you will not be able to add it. So we just do that right now, and then paste. So after making the necessary corrections, you would see that the save option will then be available. So just click on save, and then just like that, the Harmony network will be added to your MetaMask wallet. And then if you want to switch to it, just select switch to Harmony, and then you are good to go. Just like that. Thanks for watching and have a good day.